Okay, so I'm in of course, the demo or sample tracker that they gave us in modern classrooms. So where this A is, come here and right click, insert a column to the left, do that again. Okay, so you want to name this column phone number. And then the next column, you want to name it completed lessons. So I don't like how that looks. I don't know, it just bothers me. So I come up here and click that middle button. So then in here, you want to put your students' phone numbers. So I suggest getting a survey or going into your gradebook or LMS or wherever and grabbing those phone numbers. So let me put those phone numbers in. So then, so now that you got your numbers, now you want to determine how many lessons has each student completed. So you want to type equals count if parentheses and then select all of the lessons for your particular unit. So let's just say this unit has 6 total lessons. Then I'm going to select all of these, hit a comma, and then quotation marks, mastered. So that's what it's looking for to determine how many lessons has this student mastered. If yours suggests autofill, hit that check. Otherwise, you could just drag this down. I don't have to do that. So I'm going to select this and just put this in the middle just because it looks better. All right. So you got that done. Then you want to come here and hit add sheet. And make sure I have phone number, completed lesson, student name. So phone, you're going to type phone number, completed lessons, student name. And you can move this over if you need to see it. All right, and so then we want to pull that information from here. And you'll have to do this for each class, but it's only one time. So once you do it one time, so you're going to come here, hit the equal sign, brackets, and then you want to select what you want from here. So you can come here and select this, and then I usually come here and you want to select all of your students, and then hit that bracket, enter, and you see it auto-populated all of your things. Again, I'm going to put this in the middle just because it looks better to me. All right, so you're almost done. I added this over here, but we don't need that, so I'm just going to backspace. Actually, I can't get rid of it because I've added it in it, but whatever. Okay, so then you want to come to add-ons, and you want to hit get add-ons, and you want Sheet Gurus SMS. I've already added that add-on, but now I'll tell you, you get 50 free credits. 1 credit is 1 text message. It's about 3 cents per credit once you've used all your credits. So for about 140 kids, that's about $4. So depending on how often you send messages, that's how much it's going to cost. I send messages once a week, so it's $4 a week for me. I usually buy a whole bunch of them at the beginning of the year. That's how I do it. So phone number column, it's asking you where should it pull phone numbers from. You want to type A. You have to have these headers here. And then your text message. So what I want this to say is, hello, parent. Your student A has completed blank out of 6 lessons in geography. Questions? Email me at blank. This is an automated message. Please do not reply. All right, so that's what I want it to look like. So where this blank is, I want it, where it says student A, I wanted to auto-populate these names. So instead of student A, I'm just going to take that out and bracket student name. You don't have to have this right because it's going to fix it for you. And where this blank is here, I want that to auto-populate how many lessons that particular student has done. So bracket completed lessons in bracket. Now this email will be, of course, whatever email you have. Now, if you go over 160 characters, it's going to charge you more money. So you'll have to shorten this up. So I'm going to say, I'm going to get rid of questions. Email me at blank. Okay. Now, of course, you might have to get rid of some of this or whatever. All right, let me move me down. All right, so then set variables. Invalid phone number 660. Oh, let me fix my number. All right, I had to fix my number. So, set variables. Okay, so I had to fix my number. Something was wrong with it. So this is where it's trying to tag things to the correct thing. So, hello parent, this student name, they're making sure that that's tagged right as student name, and it is. So that's why I say if you're just not totally right, it's gonna ask you. All right, so then you can preview it. And you see I have 35 credits left. And this is going to cost me 5 of those. So it says, hello parent, Barnett has completed 5 out of 6 lessons in geography. Email me at blah. This is an automated message. Please do not reply. And if that's correct, then you want to hit send. Now, this takes a few minutes for it to come in, but I'll show you when it does. Looks like they have come in. So if you can see, it's 9:41 p.m. and I just got all of those messages. Now, the first time it took a second, but you can see here those messages just came in. Now, you cannot reply, like the parent cannot reply back to you, which is why we said send me an email. However, it does create this sheet to reference and see the status, and it'll just keep adding to it. So if you're looking for a way to quickly bulk send messages about a child's progress, how many lessons they've completed, here you go. Bye.